What if you could achieve more in the first 3 months of 2025 than you did in all of 2024? With a fresh new year ahead, now is the perfect time to set that big, life-changing goal and start strong. And I get it. We all know there are tons of ways to set goals. You can find hundreds of videos on the topic. But how do you actually stick to those goals? How do you really make them happen? In this video, I'll share the 3-month goal master plan, a simple way to turn big dreams into real steps so that you can get more done in the next 3 months than you did all of last year. Set the goal for 3 months. First, let's set a big, achievable goal for the next 3 months. Think of something that would really make a difference, but also keep it realistic. 3 months is long enough to accomplish something significant, but it's short enough to keep you motivated the whole way. Break it down into 3 phases. Now let's break down the 3 months into 3 phases of 4 weeks each. Each phase has its purpose. 1. First 4 weeks. Start with a bang. Think of this as your warm-up phase. Use it to get everything ready and to build momentum. For example, if your goal is to get fit, use the first phase to get comfortable with a new workout routine and make sure you're getting consistent. The goal here isn't perfection, but building strong habits. Second middle 4 weeks, keep pushing. This is the make or break phase. It's common to feel like slowing down here, so remind yourself why you started. Think of Mr. Beast, the YouTube creator, who keeps grinding through even the toughest parts of his projects because he knows this middle phase is where the real growth happens. Use this phase to stay steady and push yourself a little bit further each week. 3. Last 4 weeks, finish strong. This is the final stretch, where you double down and make those final changes. Imagine an athlete in the last leg of a race. They may be tired, but they're fueled by the excitement of crossing the finish line. Celebrate every bit of progress you've made and put everything you've got into these last 4 weeks. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, hit that follow button. Every follow motivates me to keep making more videos like this and helps others get inspired too. Define your milestones. Each phase needs a clear milestone, a specific win that makes you feel like you're moving forward. Think of these milestones as checkpoints. For instance, if you're saving money, maybe your first milestone in phase 1 is setting a budget and finding a few ways to cut unnecessary spending. Phase 2's milestone could be saving a certain amount by the end of those 4 weeks. Then, in phase 3, your milestone could be reaching your target savings goal. Breaking it down like this not only keeps things manageable, but also makes you feel accomplished every time you hit one of these mini goals. Go even deeper. Weekly steps. Within each milestone, set smaller weekly steps that will help you hit that milestone on time. If your goal is improving your health, think of weekly actions like adding an extra workout session, drinking more water, or reducing screen time by 30 minutes each week. These small steps add up, giving you mini wins every week and keeping you motivated all the way through. Check your confidence, the key step. This is where we get real. Once you've mapped out your plan, it's time to check your confidence level. Ask yourself, on a scale from 1 to 10, how confident am I that I can reach this goal? If your answer is 8 or higher, you're good to go. But if it's lower, this is your chance to adjust the plan. Let me give you an example. Imagine you've planned to hit the gym 5 times a week, but realistically, with school or work, that might be tough. If you're only at a 5 out of 10 on confidence, maybe change your plan to 3 or 4 workouts. The goal is to get your confidence up to at least an 8 out of 10. When your confidence is high, you're more likely to stick with it, even when things get challenging. Start taking action. With your plan in place and confidence up, there's nothing left but to dive in. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Feel free to come back to this video anytime you need a refresher. But once your plan is set, it's all about action. If you found this helpful, there's a good chance someone else will too. Help others find this video by liking, commenting, or sharing with a friend. And remember, every action you take now brings you closer to that big goal. So let's make these next 3 months the best yet.